Manila News headline. Tropical storm with international name Miggy or Agaton happenings in the Philippines on April 10, 2022. According to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA, as of April 13, 2022, the low pressure area or the LPA, formerly Tropical Cyclone Miggy Agaton, has dissipated. Tropical Storm Agaton weakened a bit ahead of its second landfall in the Philippines late Sunday evening, April 10, though it's continued to bring heavy rain to some areas in the Visayas and Luzon. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration said Agaton was over the coastal waters of Mayorga, Leyte, slowly moving west and set to make landfall in the eastern part of the province. Bagyong Agaton earlier made landfall in Caloocan Island in Guiuan, Eastern Samar at 7:30 a.m. on Sunday. The tropical storm's maximum sustained winds decreased from 75 kilometers per hour to 65 kilometers per hour late Sunday evening, while its gustiness went down from 105 kilometers per hour to 90 kilometers per hour. Despite the slight weakening, the storm still poses a threat. The Typhoon Agaton interacts with Typhoon Malakas, which may enter the Philippine area of responsibility by Monday evening or Tuesday morning or just pass by.
Shown one of the affected area in the Philippines. This is all that left on the Philippine village of Pilar. The community in Leyte province was wiped off the map by flooding and landslide. 28 bodies have been recovered so far in Pilar and over 100 people are still missing. Tropical Storm Miggy hit the central and southern Philippines on April 10, triggering widespread devastation. 1 million people were affected by Miggy, the first cyclone of the year to hit the Philippines. As of April 14, there was 148 deaths and many more injuries blamed on the storm. With scores of people still missing, search, rescue, and retrieval operations continue.
When disaster or emergency happen, make sure your family is prepared. You can't predict when a natural disaster will strike or when you find yourself in an emergency situation. But no matter how prepared and organized we can get, we must keep ourselves alive and safe. And don't forget to pray at all times. This is Jennifer Aragon for Weather Updates.